Review. Newest fourth smart electric suction door lock for Tesla Model 3 Y disclaimer. While I haven't personally tested this product, I can provide a comprehensive review based on the product description and general knowledge of similar automotive accessories. Product overview. The newest fourth smart electric suction door lock for Tesla Model 3 Y promises to revolutionize the way you interact with your vehicle. This innovative accessory offers a hands-free and convenient way to close your car doors, providing a premium and futuristic feel. Key features. Soft close. The doors close gently and quietly, preventing damage to both the vehicle and your hands. Anti-pinch technology ensures safety by detecting obstacles and preventing the door from closing forcefully. Wireless connectivity easily pairs with your Tesla for seamless integration. Automatic locking. The doors automatically lock upon closing. Added security. Customizable settings allows you to adjust the closing speed and other preferences to suit your needs. Potential benefits. Enhance convenience. Enjoy the luxury of hands-free door operation. Increase safety. The anti-pinch feature helps protect against accidents. Improved aesthetics. The sleek design complements the Tesla's modern look. Added security. Automatic locking provides an extra layer of protection. Potential drawbacks and considerations. Installing this product may require some technical expertise or professional assistance. Cost. Premium features often come with a higher price tag. Compatibility. Ensure that the product is compatible with your specific Tesla model and year. Battery life. The battery life of the wireless components should be considered for long-term use. Reliability. The long-term durability and reliability of the product may vary. What users are saying, based on general reviews of similar products: positive. Smooth operation enhanced. Convenience improved. Vehicle aesthetics increased. Safety negative. Installation complexity. Potential for malfunction over time. Cost. Conclusion. The newest fourth smart electric suction door lock for Tesla Model 3 Y offers a compelling proposition for Tesla owners seeking to enhance their vehicle's functionality and luxury. The features are impressive, and the potential benefits are numerous. However, potential buyers should carefully consider the installation process, cost, and long-term reliability before making a purchase. To make an informed decision, it's recommended to read customer reviews. Look for detailed reviews from other Tesla owners who have installed this product. Watch installation videos. Visual guides can help you understand the complexity of the installation process. Contact the seller. Ask any questions you may have about compatibility, installation, or warranty.